Only one mistake I'll make. Hi. Hi, children. Today we are going to do a very interesting topic. What is that? Animals and their young ones. You like animals and their babies. So we are going to learn. You already know the names of animals. What do we call their babies, their young ones? We are going to see the picture. We'll see the mother and the baby. So you must learn to point the name of the animal and the young one. Yes, it's very interesting. Shall we? Okay. Just look at our first mommy and baby. Look what we have here. Look at the picture. Isn't it a cute picture? Who is this? Your pet cat. Who is this? Your pet cat. And what will you call the pet cat baby? Small cat, kitten. Very good. So this is the cat and her baby is called kitten. So we have a cat here, mama cat and baby called kitten. The cat and kitten. So when you have a kitten in the house, little tiny cat in the house, you tell mommy, mommy, that's mama cat. This is kitten. Good. Isn't it interesting? Yes, you love to keep these pets in your house. And what do you feed them? Milk, fish, yeah. Good. Shall we look at another animal and her baby? Look what we have. Look at this. You have a kennel to keep this little fellow? Yes, you have a lovely, look at his ears, nice watchdog. You love dogs? Yes. Here's a lovely fellow, brown ears, white body, and there's a little baby dog. What do you call him? Mama dog, and the baby is called puppy. Very good, cute little, look at the face. Cute little puppy. You love to keep a puppy in your house? Yes, so this is mama dog and the baby is called puppy. Dog, puppy. Who is puppy's mama? Dog. Dog's baby is called puppy. Good. Isn't it a lovely picture? Will you forget dog and puppy? Never. Good. Let's look at another mummy and her baby. Look at the animal. Look. Where do you see this? Sometimes in a temple. Yes. In the forest. You can also see it at the zoo. Elephant, the big animal on earth. Elephant. What does he have? Four fat feet, tiny tail, and two huge ears. And what is prominent? One long trunk. Elephant. What is elephant's baby called? Calf. Very good. So you have the elephant, mama elephant, and the tiny baby is called a calf. Elephant, calf. Big elephant, and the mama is taking care of the little calf standing here. Yes, if you want to see an elephant and the calf, ask mommy to take you to the zoo. You might find one there. Good. Shall we look at another animal and her baby? Look what you have. Look, you have a deer, mama deer. And what do you think the baby will be called? Deer and what will be the baby deer called? Fawn. It's a beautiful name. Baby deer. Where do you find deer? You can go to the deer park or in the forest, but you can see it at the zoo. This is mama deer and the baby is called fawn. Fawn. It's a lovely name for the baby deer. Deer and fawn. Say it again. Deer and fawn. Good. Let's take another animal. And we'll find her baby too. Here we have a horse. Look, majestic, lovely hair. Look at the tail. Horse and her baby. What is horse's baby called? Foal. Good. Horse and her baby called foal. Horse, foal. Say it again. Mama horse and baby called foal. Foal. Good. Where do you find the horses? You can find horses. Maybe you find a pony to ride on at the beach. You can see horses of different category colors at the zoo. Ask mommy to show you. Take you to the zoo. Horse, foal, coat. Let's take another animal and find her baby too. Look, wild animal. What animal is this? Lion. Lion. What is lion baby called? Cub. A cute little fellow. Lion, cub. Where will you find this? At the zoo. So this is mama lion playing with a little baby cub. Lion and her baby cub. Cute, isn't it? Yes, full of hair. My goodness. Lovely there. Where are they sitting? They're sitting on top of some rock. Yes, where do the lions live? In the den. So there's some rock here. Mama lion and her baby cub is close to her. Good. Let's look at another picture of mama animal and her baby. Look what we have here. You have a donkey. Yes, picture of a donkey. Who helps? Donkey? Donkey helps a dhobi or to carry any load. It's a very useful animal. Donkey. And this is donkey's baby. What do you call the donkey's baby? Mama donkey and her baby. What will you call her? The tiny little baby. Alright? So donkey and colt. What is the baby donkey called? Colt. Donkey, colt. Donkey, colt. Tiny, small baby donkey is called a colt. Young one of a donkey is called a colt. Very good. So donkey is a very useful animal, helps dhobi to carry the clothes from one place to another or anything he carries from one place to another. A very hard working animal is the donkey. Yes, donkey's baby is called colt. Let's look at another animal and see the baby too. Look what you have here. Here you have a buffalo. A buffalo. What does buffalo give you? Milk, yes. Buffalo and a baby calf. Buffalo and the baby calf. Don't they look cute? Yes. The buffaloes are very huge. It gives lots of nice thick milk and you make curd out of it, don't you? So you have a buffalo, a domestic animal, and a baby is called calf. Buffalo, calf. Mama buffalo, baby called calf. Good. Let's look at another animal and her baby. Look what you have here. Duck. Where does the duck go? He goes in the pond, swimming all about, asking her babies to come along at the back of her. Duck loves to swim in the pond and her baby is called a duckling. Duck, mummy duck, and her baby is called a duckling. She's taking her baby duckling for a swim, teaching how to find food and to float about on the water. So you have duck and the baby duckling. Duck, duckling. She'll go swimming on the pond and then put the head in and take out worms and fish. Mama duck and baby duckling. Yes? Good. They always love to be in the water. What do they give you? Duck What do they give you? Duck gives us eggs and meat. Yes, good. Let's look at another animal and her baby. Look what you have here. Oh, here is a mama pig. And you have a tiny little baby here. She's drinking some milk. What is she called? Piglet. Mama pig and the baby is called a piglet. Sometimes there are several piglets a little mama pig has. So, pig, piglet. Not one, they will have several. 2, 3, 4 together. They all look very cute. Pig, piglet. Where do they live? In the pigsty. What do they eat? Nice vegetable leftovers. They love to eat vegetable leftovers. Okay? Pig, piglet. Good. Let's look at another animal and her baby. Look what you have here. Tiger. Strong. Black and white. Black and nice orange lines. Here's the tiger. Wild animal. You can see nicely in the night. And the baby is here. He's keeping the baby close to it. Tiger. And her baby is called a cub. Tiger and cub. Yes, it's a very ferocious animal. Okay? Tiger and her baby cub. They both are sitting there on the rock waiting for some food, maybe. See how serious he looks. Tough he looks. Tiger and cub. Good. Tiger and a baby is called cub. Where do you find them? In the forest, in the jungle. But if you would like to see, you might find one at the zoo. Good. Let's go on to another animal and find her baby. Look, monkey. You have a monkey here. What do monkey like to eat? Bananas. Where do they live? On the tree, in the forest. They keep jumping from one place to another. So you have a monkey and a little baby here. Yes, little baby. Now, the monkey has 2 little babies and the babies are called infants. There are 2 infants. 1 infant, 2 infants. Mama monkey and 2 infants are here in the picture. Monkey, infants. Yes? Good. Let's look at another picture of an animal and her baby too. Who's this? A little red hen who's sitting on the top. And her baby, chick. Hen and chick. What does the hen give you? She gives us eggs and meat. What does she like to eat? Grains and worms. Here is mama hen and a baby is standing on top of her and she is called a chick, baby chick. Yes? Hen and a baby chick. Where do you find them? At the farm. If you go to the farm, you find hen and chicks over there. Yes? Nice to see them. Mama calling the chicks, all of them to come and eat the grains together with her. Hen and chick. Curd. If you visit a farm, you might find one there. Let's look at another animal and her baby. Look what you have here. Look, you have a goat here. And a baby is here. What's the baby called? Kid. So you have a goat and a baby kid over here. What's she trying to do? Probably she's looking for some milk. Goat. Where do you find goat? Again at the farm. What does the goat give us? He gives us milk and meat. Goat. Mama goat and her baby kid. Lovely picture, isn't it? Goat and her baby kid. Yes? Lovely. Look at mama taking care of the little kid, giving the little kid some milk. Goat, baby is called kid. Good. Shall we take another picture? Are you enjoying the pictures? The mummy and the baby. Look what you have, a very lovely picture here. First is running animal. He can run fast. He can jump. He's got a bag to carry its baby. This is a kangaroo. What is kangaroo's baby called? Joey. Kangaroo's here. He's got a bag here. Okay, a little pouch to carry its baby. Joey. Kangaroo goes hopping on its strong two legs, keeping the baby in the pouch. Kangaroo, Joey. Kangaroo and Joey. He can jump high, run fast. Yes? Kangaroo and Joey. You like the picture? Mama kangaroo and baby Joey. Good. Are you enjoying this? Let's look at another picture of an animal and her baby. Look what you have. Look at that. Who is this? Cow. What does the cow give you? It gives you milk. You drink milk every day, don't you? Cow. She gives us milk and she's taking care of a little baby. What is baby's name? What do you call the cow's baby? Calf. Mama cow and a baby calf. Isn't it a cute picture? Yes. Cow and a baby calf. Cow and a baby calf. Good. I hope you enjoyed this.